Hello everyone, it's Arutar56 here, and today I'm going to unbox this Hot Wheels Cars Premium Car Culture Vintage Racing. I see the other Vintage Racer already opened. The 76 Greenwood Corvette, the Lancia Stratos, the Porsche 917K remodel, and the Jaguar XJS. Jaguar XJX. Now I'm going to unbox this Ferrari 250 GTO. Hot Wheel Vintage Racing Premium 10th Anniversary Car Culture. Got a Ferrari logo right there. Also, it's in the back right here. Ferrari official product. The artwork. Beautiful. Here's the car. Let's unbox it. Well, here it is. Ferrari 250 GTO in white. Now I still have the red one. Now I have the white one. Cool. Taillights in back. Number is 10. Very cool. Very cool. Finally, I completed the Car Culture Vintage Racing set. Yep. And now I'm going to look for the Hot Wheels Car Culture German Dutchland and Hot Wheel Car Culture Aero Style. Yeah. So I hope y'all enjoy. Peace.